Hello guys, so this is the hack. Yes, so you take some dishwasher soap, put it in a lukewarm water in a bucket. I have taken a dustbin from the room. uh, Put a peg in the seat belt so it doesn't retract back, and put all the seat belt in the liquid. As you can see, it's been sitting there for 10 minutes now, so I'm just gonna give it a good sort of a squeeze or rinse, and this should do the trick. So what happens is, if your seat belts are not retracting, it is because of the sweat and the grease and the grime that gets collected on the belt over the years. And once you clean this and then let it dry, hopefully that'll sort the things out. It's an easy trick, and I'm gonna do it. So this is the rear seat belt, and I've got the same issues in the front passenger seat belt as well. So I'm gonna do it here, and I'm also gonna try it on the driver's side rear seat belt as well. Hopefully this will sort the matters. Thanks for watching.